Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you some cool tips and tricks you can do with your volume up and volume down button on your iPhone or iPad. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So the first trick is where you can silence notifications, calls, or alarm with your volume up or down button. So as you can see, if the alarm clock rings, I can press the volume up or the volume down to silence it. Again, if a call comes in, I can use the volume up or down to silence it. The second trick with volume up and down button is in the camera app. In photo mode, you can use the volume up or down button to take a photo for you. If you hold down the volume up button, you can take photos in burst mode. If you hold down the volume down button, you can record a video without going into the video mode. If you switch into video mode, you can press the volume up or down button to start recording, and then again press the same buttons to stop recording. This is really helpful in situations where we don't want to touch the phone. Now the third trick is where you can use this button to restart your phone. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold down the sleep button. On your iPhone it's on your right side, on your iPad it'll be at the top. Keep holding it down and the iPhone will shut down and then it'll restart. You can now stop pressing the sleep button once you see the Apple logo. And those were some of the tips and tricks you can do with your volume up and down button on your iPhone or iPad. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. I create social media tutorials like this on a regular basis, so do leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.